This is how we do a waterproof membrane and how we pre-slope the floor 1/4 inch per foot by floating it with deck mud. Before we jump in, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's get to work. The shower's prepped, blocking is in, the curb is framed, and the floor is cleaned up and ready for mud. First comes the pre-slope. I spread a slurry bond coat on the slab, then dump my deck mud right on top while it's still wet, so everything locks onto the concrete. This is deck mud, just sand and cement, mixed on the dry side. Pack it in tight and screed it so the floor falls about 1/4 inch per foot, from the walls down to the drain. Take your time here. Your liner is only as good as the slope underneath it. Check it with a level, fill the low spots, and trowel it off smooth. A solid, smooth pre-slope means no voids under the liner and nowhere for water to sit. Get this part right and everything after it gets easier. Now for the star of the show, the Pasco liner. Roll it out and cut it big. You want it running up every wall and all the way over the curb. Fold your corners tight. Never ever cut the liner inside the pan. At the drain, the liner gets sealed down to the drain flange with glue, so water only has one way out. Quick heads up, the tube of glue exploded on me right here. That's why it looks like it's spread out over the whole drain. No harm done, it still seals up just fine. Then the clamping ring bolts down, sandwiching the liner into the drain watertight. Snug those bolts down evenly and keep the weep holes clear. Now here's how I do it. And pay attention because this is the trick. I like to use mastic to glue the Pasco liner up on the curb and on the wall. Why? Because I float my shower walls. And gluing the liner keeps the lath from getting pushed out by my fat mud when I float. It also keeps the mortar from falling off the curb. Smooth everything out flat, no wrinkles, no air pockets. For the corners, I glue on preformed corner dams, then I overlap them with paper so every corner stays watertight. Corners are where showers fail. Don't skip this. And there it is, a fully waterproof shower pan ready for mud. Last thing, the moisture barrier paper goes up the walls, shingle style, lapped over the liner, ready for wire and a float coat. If you got some value out of this, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next install.